the Mirage of Modern Love. When support becomes a stepping stone, welcome to Mosaic Mind. It's the podcast exploring the complexities of modern relationships. Today, we're rediving into a difficult and often painful phenomenon. A specific kind of relationship delusion, where one partner seemingly uses the other as a stepping stone. We're talking about situations where women accept years of financial and emotional support from men who help them build their careers or establish themselves, only to then leave or divorce them once they become successful, often citing their partner as less capable or not fitting their new societal standing. This isn't a new story, but it feels particularly sharp in our rapidly changing world. Traditionally, relationships often involved a clear exchange of roles and support. But what happens when that support, that investment of time, money, and emotional energy, is perceived as a temporary convenience rather than a foundation for a shared future? We hear stories anecdotally, and sometimes publicly, of men pouring their resources into their partner's education, business ventures, or personal development, only to find themselves cast aside once that partner achieves the very success they helped cultivate. So what contributes to this painful dynamic? It's complex, touching on evolving societal expectations, individual motivations, and perhaps a darker side of ambition. In a world where individual achievement is highly lauded, some may view relationships through a transactional lens, consciously or unconsciously. There might be a perception that a partner served a purpose for a certain phase of life, but once that phase is over, they're no longer needed, or, tragically, no longer good enough for their elevated status. Social media can exacerbate this, feeding into a comparison culture where external validation and perceived status can overshadow deeper, more authentic connection. The consequences for the left-behind partner can be devastating. Beyond the financial loss, there's a profound sense of betrayal, emotional wreckage, and a complete shattering of trust. It can lead to deep cynicism about relationships, making it incredibly difficult to open up and commit again. For society, if these instances become more prevalent, they contribute to a general erosion of trust between partners and reinforce the idea that relationships are merely utilitarian rather than based on mutual respect, enduring love, and shared vulnerability through life's ups and downs. It undermines the very idea of partnership where both individuals lift each other up, regardless of changing circumstances. So, how do we navigate these treacherous waters? It requires open communication from the outset about expectations, shared goals, and the true meaning of partnership. It means building relationships on a foundation of mutual respect, not just transactional convenience. For those giving support, it's crucial to be aware of the potential for imbalance and to ensure that the relationship is truly reciprocal, with both partners investing emotionally and otherwise. And for everyone, it's about valuing character, loyalty, and genuine connection over fleeting external markers of success or societal status. True partnership means growing together, not just growing apart. The painful delusion of relationships used as stepping stones is a stark reminder of the importance of integrity and genuine connection in love. Let's strive for partnerships built on unwavering support, enduring respect, and a shared journey through life, whatever successes or challenges it may bring. Thank you for listening to Mosaic Mind. Till next time.